So Experian today has organized this regulatory banking forum in Paris at the Lutetia Hotel. We have put together top speakers from institutions, European banks, as well as some of our experts. We have talked about very precise topics such as the IRB 2021, the challenges, opportunities, and also it was a good way for us to introduce how the new tools like artificial intelligence, machine learning can help and how to use them, making sure that they can help and improve things on one side but remain compliant on the other side. So it was a very good way to share all those key topics all together and also to show our clients how Experian can help them in their future challenges in the next months.
We have discussed today the issues about how to incorporate in the best ways the macroeconomic impact in various frameworks that the banks are using. One of those frameworks were IFRS 9 and they have been already implemented, but the regulators are preparing even more ambitious agenda for the banks, and that relates to internal capital adequacy processes and internal liquidity adequacy processes. There are special requirements that need to be met that also incorporate regular stress testing and reporting and assessment of the macro impact and adverse scenarios on the bank stability. At the same time, these frameworks are also related to the non-performing loans and how they can be reduced in the future. This is very, very important for the prosperity, for the future of Europe, of the completion of the banking union in the euro area.
I was invited for the conference to talk about the resolution regime within the banking union, the European banking union, and it was a good opportunity for me to explain the regime and to explain our public interest assessment, which is an important part of our resolution decisions.
Today I talk about the IRB 2021 big banks, the new requirement that all banks have to follow in order to be compliant, in order to manage the capital requirement. And I think the event is so very powerful in order to try to link the requirement with other topics like advanced analytics and also to try to improve the credit risk model in order to be compliant, but at the same time to manage better the capital allocation and also the internal process and policy.
I was invited today to present our group experience from RBI, from Raiffeisen Bank International, when implementing the new default definition in the group. This is a project which we are running right now, so I was glad to share the experience with the colleagues.
So we talk about productivity models and in credit risk modeling, and this was the first part of our presentation because I was not alone. And the second part was about the engine, just to implement them and to make all the prediction real. That was the first point. And the second one is how to make the artificial intelligence practical for a bank and how we will use it in the future. And it was important for us because it's so fashionable, so we tried to make it real and really pragmatic to the audience, and I hope we succeed.